is yellow or golden. Other metals may develop a yellowish color but only after they have oxidized or reacted with other chemicals. Nearly all the gold on Earth came from meteoroids that bombarded the planet over 200 million years after it formed. The element symbol for gold Au comes from the old Latin name for gold aurum, which means shining down or glow for sunrise. The word gold comes from Germanic language organized from the Proto-Germanic Gulf and Proto-Indo-European gel, meaning yellow-green. The pure element has been known since ancient times. Gold is extremely ductile. A single ounce of gold, about 28 grams, can be stretched into a gold thread 5 miles long. Gold thread can even be used in embroidery. Although gold is a heavy, dense metal, it is generally considered non-toxic. Gold metal flakes may be eaten in foods or drinks, although it is a common allergen for some. Malleability is a measure of how easily a metal can be harmed into thin sheets. Gold is the most malleable element. A single ounce of gold can be beaten into a 30 square foot sheet. A sheet of gold can be made thin enough to be transparent. Very thin sheet of gold may appear greenish blue because gold strongly reflected red and yellow. Pure elemental gold is 24 carats, while 18 karat gold is 75% pure gold, 14 karat gold is 58.5% pure gold, and 10 karat gold is 41.7% gold. The remaining portion of the metal usually used in gold jewelry and other items in silver, but items can also consist of other metal or a combination of metal such as platinum, copper, palladium, zinc, nickel, iron and cadmium. Gold is a noble metal. It is relatively unreactive and resists degradation by air moisture or acidic condition. While acid dissolves most metal, a special mixture of acid called aqua regia is used to dissolve gold. Gold has many uses aside from its monetary and symbolic value. Among other applications, it is used in electrical wiring, dentistry, medical, radiation shielding and in coloring glass. High purity metallic gold is odorless and tasteless. This makes sense since the metal is unreactive. Metal ions confer flavor and odor to metallic elements and compounds.